Welcome. If you've ever tried to share your Discord window during a screen capture or stream, you might have noticed that sometimes the app just refuses to show up. That's because Discord Streamer Mode is designed to protect your privacy by hiding sensitive information, and by default, it can actually prevent the Discord window itself from appearing in your screen capture. But with the latest update, you can now control this feature and make sure your Discord app window is visible when you want it to be. Let's walk through the steps to make it happen. First, open up your Discord app on your PC. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username, and right next to them is a little gear icon. Click on that gear to open up your user settings. Inside your settings, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Streamer Mode. Click on it to enter the Streamer Mode settings. Streamer Mode is a powerful tool for anyone who streams or records their screen. It automatically hides personal information like your email, connected accounts, and invites when you're live. But here's the key. By default, Streamer Mode can also hide the Discord window from being captured by screen recording software. This is great for privacy, but not so helpful if you actually want to show Discord in your stream. To change this, look for the option that says Hide Discord Window from Screen Capture. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. If the switch is turned on, Discord will stay hidden from your screen captures. To allow your audience to see your Discord window, simply turn this toggle off. And that's it. Now when you start your screen capture or go live, your Discord app window will be visible, just like any other application. So, to recap, open Discord, click the gear icon, head to Streamer Mode, and make sure Hide Discord Window from Screen Capture is turned off. With this new update, you have full control over what your viewers see.